السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم. صدق الله العظيم. Prominent presidents of today's program, invited guests and their friends. Today I would like to talk on the topic of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his personality. Dear listeners, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent many messengers to guide humanity and convey his messages. At last he sent his precious gem and final messenger, who was much awaited by all creatures. Allah Almighty dreamed Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam with sublime conduct and character, as well as all the qualities which were required to be a best human. Each and every creature of the world is highly obliged to this greatest benefactor of humanity, because he led the people and nations from slavery to victory, from divergence to unity, from ignorance to knowledge, from fear to security, and from nomadism to settlement. Not to talk about Muslims and his followers, even non-Muslims are highly impressed by his conduct and character. Let's analyze how he cast a spell over the hearts of the people regardless of religion, caste, creed and color. Here are some glimpses of non-Muslims' impressions which indicate that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was supremely successful of all time. High-sighted man Al-Qur'an Martin and statesman says about the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that there is Muhammad the Prophet, Muhammad the King, Muhammad the General, Muhammad the businessman, Muhammad the preacher, Muhammad the philosopher, Muhammad the protector of slaves, Muhammad the statesman, Muhammad the spokesperson, Muhammad the reformer, Muhammad the refuge of orphans, Muhammad the educator, Muhammad the emancipator of the women, Muhammad the husband, Muhammad the father, Muhammad the lawgiver, Muhammad the judge, Muhammad the orator, Muhammad the apostle, Muhammad the legislator, Muhammad the conqueror of ideas, Muhammad the founder of rational dogmas of a cult without images, Muhammad the founder of 20 celestial empires and of one spiritual empire. In all these magnificent roles, in all these departments of human activities, he is like a hero. We may ask, is there any man greater than he? Answer will be only that he never walked on the face of this earth. And quite certain till the day of judgment that he never walked on the face of the earth. Hazrat Hassan ibn Sabit, may Allah be pleased with him, says, وَأَحْسَنَ مِنْكَ لَمْ تَرَقَتْ عَيْنِي وَأَجْمَلَ مِنْكَ لَمْ تَلِدِ النِّسَاءُ خُلِقْتَ مُبَرَّأً مِنْ كُلِّ عَيْبٍ كَأَنَّكَ قَدْ خُلِقْتَ كَمَا تَشَاءُ. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the Indian thinker, statesman and nationalist leader, says, I wanted to know the best one who holds today and disputed sway over the hearts of millions of mankind. I became more than convinced that it was not the sword that bore a place for Islam in those days in the scheme of life. It was rigid simplicity, the utter self-abasement of the Prophet, the scrupulous regard for his praise, his intense devotion to his friends and followers, his intrepidity, his fearlessness, his absolute trust in God and his own mission. These and not the sword carried everything before them and surmounted every obstacle. When I closed the second volume of the Prophet's biography, I Young India, Volume 5. Saying of Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, our treasure of wisdom not only for Muslims but for all humanity. Reverend Bosworth says Muhammad was Caesar and Pope in one, but he was Pope without the Pope's pretension and Caesar without the legion of Caesar, without a standing army, without a bodyguard, without a palace and without a fixed revenue. If ever any man had the right to say that he ruled by a right giving, it was Muhammad, for he had all the power without its instruments and without its support. Muhammad and Muhammad is London, 1874, page number 235. Jules says the greatest leader of all time was Muhammad. It is written in Encyclopedia Britannica that Muhammad was the most successful of all religious personalities. In short, the more they praised, less it was, and at last they expressed their inability by saying that La yakunu sana kama kana badas khuda buzurg ke intisam mukhtasar. Now I'm going to wind up my talk. Thank you all for listening peacefully and patiently to our program.